What's going on, traders? This is Mike from Tactical Traders doing some end of the day scans today on February the 25th, 2021. And right now I am looking at ticker symbol DNN on the daily chart over the last year of price history. And as you can see, for the majority of this year, it has been pretty much going sideways until we have gotten a nice little boost in price and volume as well. Volume has been pretty great the last few days, and so has been the price action. So let's zoom up on that. And yeah, so we see some interesting movements here, and potentially a nice pattern forming here too, a bullish pattern. Let's go through the chart right now and highlight some areas of interest, and maybe and hopefully create a nice profitable trade plan off of this. But before I do, please hit that like button. It's going to help us out a ton. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Alright, so now back into the chart. As you can see, we had some resistance in the past right here around this, we'll call it 82 cents area. Got rejected there a few times, a couple data points on a few different days before falling back down. Pretty much kind of catching a little support off this 50 SMA coming up here. And by the way, about that 50 SMA, the price has been above that for the most part of it, actually for since November. So this is definitely showing us that the bulls are in control here in this nice bullish trend. And the prices came up a little bit. And then here we had some nice increase in volume, breaking up, going really high up to the 181, more than doubling in price before pulling back in price pretty significantly. But however, I do want to point out this nice hammer candle that formed here, bouncing up a little bit. Now starting to go sideways. So this is where it can be interesting. A lot of times after these big moves, these aren't really sustainable, going straight up. So we do have pullbacks and consolidation along the chart. So let's go into a smaller time frame. We're going to drop it down to the 20-day 1 hour. We'll zoom out a little bit. Alright, so now this shows a little bit clearer. I'm going to actually zoom up a little bit more. Alright, so we have definitely some support right here around the 105. We can call it $1 if you want. But 105 to $1 is definitely an area of support, which is not really much of a surprise because if you look back here, just a few days ago, this was an area of resistance here before breaking above that. I'm sorry, not right there, right over here at the $1. Over here we had a couple, candles stopping right there before having a nice burst of volume coming up and breaking above it and staying above it, which is really great for the bulls. We made that nice move up, but we have been putting in lower highs since that high. And just to connect a few data points here, once we connect it down, now we're forming this nice little downtrend line here of lower highs. But it's pretty interesting now because now the pattern is coming a little bit more through, a little bit more clear. And I'm just going to put this yellow line here so you can kind of see it a little bit easier. This is going to be a descending triangle pattern. So what we're looking for is for the price action to bounce around in here, get tight in range, which it's pretty much doing. And at this point, something's got to give, and we're going to see a big movement in price coming up. What we're going to want to see is a surge of volume. When that surge of volume comes, we're going to be looking for this top yellow line to be broken on the price action, breaking past that. And then we will not be entering the trade. We're going to be looking for confirmation, but entering the trade after the 120 area is broken. As you can see, this was an area of support and resistance. So at the 120 area break, we are going to be going along with a first price target of $1.50. Alright, so after that we're going to be taking off 20 to 30 to 50% of our portfolios, position size, to let the rest of the rides hopefully gain for more value after that. Alright traders, well thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and check us out at tacticaltraders.com where you can get access to our live 24/7 chat room. Alright traders, thank you for watching. Until next time, keep it profitable.